In a groundbreaking turn of events, felony charges against President-elect Donald Trump have been dropped. We dive into this unprecedented legal maneuver that has left the nation in shock and speculation. Special counsel Jack Smith, who led the charges against Trump, announced the dismissal due to long-standing Department of Justice policies regarding sitting presidents. Trump's legal battle erupted in August 2023, marking a historical moment as the first U.S. president to face criminal charges. Critics called it political, while Trump's team cited presidential immunity. Federal charges related to the alleged attempt to overturn the 2020 election have now officially been dismissed just weeks before Trump's inauguration. The Supreme Court's ruling favoring Trump on claims of official presidential activities played a pivotal role in dismantling the prosecution's strategy. News outlets across the country buzzed as the dismissal of charges was confirmed, stirring debates about the justice system and political influence. Social media exploded with varied reactions, from triumph among supporters to disbelief over the implications for judicial accountability. Trump was swift to react, labeling the cases as a political hijacking and celebrating his victory amidst this contentious legal journey. Despite dropping the charges, Jack Smith hinted at ongoing appeal processes involving other defendants, leaving the door ajar for future legal twists. With these charges behind him, Trump prepares to retake the presidency, a narrative never seen in American politics. Department of Justice policy, which prevents prosecution of a sitting president, has raised concerns about potential gaps in legal accountability. This uniqueness underscores a significant question: how should the law be balanced against unprecedented political and criminal scenarios? As the charges evaporate, so too do the immediate legal ramifications. However, the broader impact on justice and precedents remains. Courtroom dramas have long captivated audiences, but the saga of a former president facing serious criminal charges is a storyline of epic proportions. Public gatherings highlight the profound divide these legal actions have created, underscoring their emotional and societal impact. Political analysts are dissecting what this means for Trump's presidency, his political enemies, and future legal hurdles he may face. The timeline of events paints a picture of a controversial journey that has now, at least temporarily, concluded with legal vindication for Trump. What lies ahead is uncertain. Will Trump's legal woes resurface, or does this mark a turning point in his political narrative? With his focus now on the presidency, Trump and his supporters aim to shape the future, while opponents warn of the risks in ignoring past actions. This dismissal introduces a precedent in political history, emphasizing the vast complexities at the intersection of law and leadership. Different states have played roles in Trump's legal affairs, illustrating the geographical complexity and widespread effects of his cases. Trump's rhetoric during campaigns reflects a strong response to his legal challenges, stirring his base and defining his narrative. The courtroom has hosted intense battles, key figures stepping into roles that could alter the course of political norms. Political commentators remain sharply divided, their analyses reflecting the polarization surrounding Trump's indictments and dismissals. Surveys indicate a split in public opinion, with citizens sharply divided over the legitimacy and outcome of legal proceedings against Trump. The media's portrayal of Trump's legal battles has varied, with headlines impacting public perception and political discourse. His legal timeline is complex and multifaceted, with each development adding layers to what has become an ongoing media spectacle. Trump's own words on social media platforms have been strategic, aiming to defend his actions and rally support. Courtroom sketches capture the gravity and tension of proceedings, offering a glimpse into the intensity of these historic events. Supporters stand by Trump, highlighting the fervor with which they back his character amidst ongoing legal questions. Experts ponder the broader implications, considering how these unprecedented decisions might reshape future policies and precedents. Globally, Trump's legal situation has been observed with interest, its implications understood across borders and political systems. Previous rulings and legal skirmishes set the stage for the current context, highlighting a pattern of legal maneuvering. Legal experts are dissecting Department of Justice policies that influence the prosecution of former presidents. The constitutional debate is at the core of these legal battles, with both sides referring to foundational laws that define presidential powers. Key moments from Trump's presidency have often correlated with his legal challenges, painting a broader picture of his political journey. The sheer number of documents and binders testify to the complexity and extensive nature of Trump's legal encounters. Behind closed doors, Trump's legal team strategizes and responds to new developments, illustrating complex legal thinking in action. Balancing the scales of justice in a politically charged atmosphere is the challenge facing the American legal system today. The Senate has joined the conversation, exploring potential reforms to ensure accountability and fairness are firmly maintained. Press conferences reveal the tensions and challenges faced by officials and legal teams as they navigate this unprecedented territory. Various legal paths have been considered, each presenting unique challenges and shaping options for future case law development. As the chapters close, legal documents are archived, yet their significance resonates in the ongoing narrative of law and politics.